Hello my friends. How are you guys doing today? Okay, as for me, Kelly Grace, I'm doing awesome. As you can see, that's why I'm here to give you a clue or to show you how I make my biscuits or scones at home. So it's very easy and simple. We just need like 6 ingredients, but here I have only 5 because instead of salt separately, I have my salted butter, I have baking powder, I have sugar, I have whole milk here, and I have some flour, a bowl to mix with. Okay, so here is my baking sheet. I will need that later. So let's start, guys. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour I'm dumping here. I'll be adding the baking powder. I'll add my sugar next. So if you have just plain butter, you will need some salt, like a teaspoon of salt, but here I have my salted butter, so I will not add some salt to my flour. Okay, after mixing all the dry ingredients together, guys, I will be adding my butter. The butter needs to be kind of frozen, really cold. So guys, instead of using the pastry cutter, I'm using my fork. To make sure all the butter is really incorporated with the flour. So this is 2 cups of flour with 6 tablespoons of butter, frozen butter. So I think it's well incorporated now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk to it. Okay, I'm gonna make a little bit hole here so I can add my milk to it. I don't like waste in my kitchen, guys. Okay, so this is 3/4 of whole milk, and now I'll be mixing it. So now I'm gonna stop and use my hand, and you don't want to be over mix this biscuits dough. Okay, take this off. I'm gonna use my hand. Yeah, so at this point you don't want to overwork your dough. That's why I'm gonna transfer it from the bowl to my flat surface, and all you need to do is like to just try to flatten the dough. You fold it and you rotate it. You do the same thing like 5 to 3 times to make the layer show in your scone or your biscuit, and that's it. But if you have like a sticky dough, don't worry about that. Just add more flour to it, because you don't want a sticky dough for your biscuit. You won't have the right result. So that will be all. After that, I will cut my dough. Yeah, you cut your pastry. While cutting it, if you have your pastry cutter, that's fine. I can find mine now, so I'm using my glass cup here. So while cutting it, don't try to twist your cutter or like turn it. Just go straight down into the pastry, so your biscuit can rise when you are baking it. So that will be all, and try to make the best most of the big biscuit out of your dough. That's what I did. When you have a leftover, just fold it, put it together. Yeah, don't work on it too hard. Flatten it and do the same thing until you make the most out of your biscuit dough. So guys, this is what I have 15 of them. I have 15 scones out of the 2 cups of flour. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven, the preheated oven. I preheated the oven for 425 degrees, and I'm gonna put it in for 12 minutes. Okay guys, my scones are ready. As you can see, I have some little bit of flour on top of them, but that's okay. So now guys, I'm gonna brush them with this melted butter to give it this always buttery and salted taste, guys. As you can see, the layer is there, the flakiness, guys. This is awesome. So guys, if you want, you can try this and let me know how it goes by you. It's a really good pastry that can go with your breakfast. You can have this with your scrambled eggs in the morning, with your bacon and a little bit of juice, and you are good to go all day. Or you can have it as a afternoon snack as well. So thank you so much guys for watching. Let me show you how the inside look like. This is it, nice and flaky, guys. Buddha. So this is it, guys. See the beautiful golden color of the scone. So guys, let me try one. See this scone? Really nice, flaky, with the salted butter, guys. This is good. I'm topping it with more butter. So thank you all guys for watching. if you like what you are seeing on this channel, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the small bell near the subscriber button, so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching. Be blessed and stay blessed. Thank you. Bye bye.